Hey guys, what's up? It's OpauloQuartz, and I'm back again with another video. Well, today's Wednesday, June 23rd, and it's my last day in Pembroke Pines before I move in at UF as a freshman, class of 2026. Crazy. I woke up like an hour ago. I couldn't sleep. I went to bed like 1:30, but I don't know. I kind of feel energized. So right now, all my bags are in the car. My dad said we're leaving at 7 o'clock, and it's 6:55, so guess we're leaving a little bit late, but gotta go to Palm Bay, finish getting all my stuff, and moving day Saturday. Alright, let's start getting ready and leave! Yo guys, OpauloQuartz back. After the 2.5 hour drive, I landed in Palm Bay, my new house, for 3 days until I go to my other new house. Well, I got here like at 12 o'clock. I finished packing all my clothes and took a nap. Now I'm up and I'm like, I should probably be recording this. Probably should record me packing my stuff, but whatever. Instead of that, let's do a house tour. Let's jump right into it. So I'm in the backyard right now. This is my mom's chicken coop. That guy just went outside for the first time ever. He was like eating the flowers and he was just like looking around like, what the? There's a world outside my cage? It was very actually cute. I should record that. But his name is Manayard. And there's like a bunch of other chickens in there. They're kind of shy though. They're kind of traumatized because we clipped their feathers a couple seconds ago. So they don't trust us anymore. But anyways, my mom's like a huge farmer. She has a YouTube channel called Backyard Farmer Pat. So she like grew all this herself. There's food, there's tomatoes, jalapenos, blueberries, strawberries, rosemary, flowers. Very beautiful. There's a grill, and like all those are like fruit trees. My mom planted, like, it's amazing. Wow. Anyways, let's go inside. Time to enter my domain of the house. My room. You can see my bag that I packed already. Full of clothes. We're actually going out to Walmart later tonight. In a couple minutes to buy, other things I might need. So I guess I'll bring you guys along and we'll have a blast shopping at Walmart at night. That's crazy, going at night. Anyways, catch you in a bit. Alright, so this is the Walmart fit. You might not be able to see all of it because the mirror's not full body, but it's kind of fire. Oh, it's like kind of fire. Flames in that fit. Crazy. This is the wind. But, wait a minute. We're inside. Well, see you at Walmart. Alright, so me and my mom just arrived at Walmart. We're parking and we're about to go and see what we can buy for my dorm. Alright, so the bag has been secured. We got most of the things we needed. It's starting now, as you see, so we're in there for a bit. But kind of told you, man, and I'm happy. Anyways, we're going back to the car. Gonna, eat dinner. Relax. Thanks for coming. Yo, what's up, guys? It's D2, which means 2 days left till move-in day. Thursday, June 23rd. Wait, today's Thursday? Yeah, probably. I don't know. Anyways, so right now we're folding up all the clothes. These are all the clothes that got eliminated from the tryout to be part of the college fit collection. They couldn't make it. They weren't fire enough. So right now I'm just folding everything. I fold my clothes like rolly, cause I don't know, it's more space efficient. Well, let's keep folding and let's put on some jams while we're folding and have a blast. Come on, guys, let's jump right into it. What's up? Yo guys, so I was like on YouTube, right? Looking up like packing for college, preparing for college, like getting inspiration, cause to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I need ideas. And it was like, I realized it was all girls. They're like, no guys making these college preparation videos. Like, what's up with that, guys? Come on, I said we get this video to 1 million. All the alpha males in the house. Hey, let's get. Joking. But yeah, man, support. Hey. Okay, nah. This, you know what? I feel like I can be the one guy to start the move, because we need help too. We don't know what to pack. And I hope if you're a guy watching this and you've never seen a guy like you pack for college, I hope this helps you. Dang, a lot of responsibility right now. Got this. We got this. Yo guys, what's up? It's day 3, June 24th. Yo guys, what's up? It's Friday, June 24th, 3rd day of Palm Day and D-Day before I move into UF. So, I've had a crazy day today and I vlogged none of it. So I will tell you verbally what happened. Basically, me and my mom went out for lunch. I didn't like the food. I sent it back and I left. Yeah, it was pretty sad. Super scary being like, oh, actually, I don't like it. But I did it. I sent it back. I went to a new restaurant. Food was great. I got basic fettuccine alfredo, chicken alfredo. And then we went to like 4 different stops looking for a black hair product. Dang, us black people. It's crazy. I even went to black-owned businesses and they didn't have it. I was looking for like a sponge, a hair sponge. Cause mine's like, oh, it's right here on the ground. Like, so faded. Like, as you can see from my hair, like, it's not looking too good. So, I'm gonna be using that for a couple of weeks till I find out. Yes! Anyways, so I went to like 2 different Walmarts. Josie, Belosi's Beauty Supply, and Sally's Beauty Store, whatever. And none of them had it. So, went to get ice cream at Buster's, which is very nostalgic. Because I got that all the time when I lived in Georgia. I got the blueberry sherbet. And also got a strawberry shortcake. We kind of splurged today, you know. It's my last day. But yeah, and now I got home and I played with my chickens. And I took a video of that. So, link in the video.
So we got one of these long wings are the long feathers are the flight feathers. You want to make sure you don't touch this part because this part is where is the actual wing is, so you don't want to hurt her. So this doesn't hurt at all. This is like cutting your fingernails. So I'm cutting all her wings. And then after this, we only have one twin left. So these are all her flight wings getting cut. These are all her flight wings getting cut. So now she can enjoy the garden.
Yep, so that was pretty exciting. Yeah, highlight of my day probably. But now, I don't know. I packed up everything. I'm ready to go, I guess. Believe it. Like my moving time's at 3 p.m. So I'm probably leaving before 12. Definitely before, like probably 11. Like a 3-hour drive or something. So yeah. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. If you're expecting me to like show you the dorm and me moving into the actual college and all that, you're wrong. Sorry. Just wasted 13 minutes watching this stupid video. No, this was about like preparation before my last final day of freedom before college end. I hope you enjoyed it. More like a vlog than like a really college preparation video, but what you gonna do? You already watched it, so. But no. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.